Hello people, it's Omer from UTech and I have been using Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 for past 4 months. So this is my review after 4 months of usage. So let's get started. So first let's talk about its design. On the right we have volume buttons and power button. On the top we have earphone jack, infrared and noise cancellation mic. On the left we have SIM slot. On bottom we have micro USB port with mic. On the back we have 16 megapixel camera with dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor, MI logo and main speaker. On the front we have 3 touch capacitive buttons which are backlit, a speakerphone with proximity and light sensor and a 5 megapixel camera. It's made out of aluminium with sandblasted texture with 2 pieces of plastic on top and bottom. When I got the phone, I didn't use any case, so after 1 month of usage, I got a scratch on metal back of phone. So I bought a cover for it. So if you are interested to buy this phone, you should consider buying a case. Another problem I had is the SIM slot, because it's hybrid SIM slot. So you can use either one SIM with one SD card or 2 SIM with no SD card. If we talk about screen, it has 5.5-inch Full HD display with 403 pixels per inch. Color production of screen is good. It also has sunlight mode which changes the contrast of the display when you come in sunlight, which works very well. But the problem is that this screen does not have any protection, so you should consider buying a screen protector. I have been using this phone with a screen protector, so I didn't get any issue regarding protection of the screen. I dropped this phone 2 times with screen protector and cover and it survived without any damage. Now let's talk about the camera. It has 16 megapixel camera with 2.0 aperture with face detection, autofocus and dual tone LED flash. The camera is not up to the mark if we compare it to other devices in this segment like Moto G4, but camera has become much better after software updates. It has useful built-in software features like Beautify and fingerprint selfie. The front camera is 5 megapixel, which is okay considering the price of the phone. Now the most important factor, performance. It has a Snapdragon 650 with 2GB RAM with 16GB storage and 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. But the device which I am using is 2GB RAM variant because I couldn't get 3GB RAM version because of flash sales. But 2GB RAM version works perfectly without any issue. This day-to-day performance is good without any lag and it runs all games completely fine except Nova 3 which lags a bit. It has Antutu score of 75,000. It gives me 2 days of battery life with normal usage because it has gigantic 4000 mAh battery. Fingerprint sensor also works very well. It's even better than phones that cost 5 times more like S7 Edge. So, Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 will cost you 10,000 rupees for 16GB storage with 2GB RAM and 12,000 for 32GB storage with 3GB of RAM. So, Redmi Note 3 is a great device, but I will recommend you to go with 3GB RAM variant. It has its own disadvantages like camera and no Gorilla Glass screen. But still my experience of 4 months with Redmi Note 3 is amazing. So if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.